Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And just continuing with my visit to South Africa last month in October, I had a couple of days at a place called Glenburn. Now, Glenburn Hotel is in the same conservatory area as Cradle Moon, which I covered just a few days ago. And it's actually quite famous for quite a few things. But let's just start off with the Sunday lunch. If you're a pensioner and you book to stay on Sunday night, they throw in Sunday lunch free for you. And I'm going to show you the kind of food that they serve up, not just for Sunday lunch, but basically all the meals. The food there is fantastic. Let's have a look at that. This is lunch at Glenburn. Have a look at the selection. These are obviously the puddings for later. We'll start there. Cheese and Vickies. And let's go through to the main course. Here we are. Look at this. Oh, this is more puddings. Look at these puddings. Let's take a video.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry?
Take me.
Oh, take you too. Yeah, of course. There you go, Chief. Yeah, so this is the salad arrangement. What do you reckon about that? Pretty amazing, isn't it? And then in these you got food. You got some dish there. Look at that! Wow. And over this side you've got, well, they've still got to bring it out, but they've got the meat and. Well, let's see. Have a look in here. Look at that! Wow. And I wonder what's underneath these little beauties. Oh, potatoes. Potatoes. And look at that. And rice. Wow. And here you've got, looks like croissant. Well, oh no, those are, they're lovely. I know what they are. What have we got over here? Oh, look at that meat. Oh, it looks like fish. And that looks like some kind of stew. And then here we have, oh, look at that stew. Yummy. This is why we come here for lunch at Glenburn. So, and then we got apples and stuff like that. Now, the other thing about Glenburn is its location. It's right there with water and, well, when I say water, I mean rivers and dams and this incredible central piece with a willow tree in the middle of this dam, which you look at from the restaurant or from the reception area when you first arrive, and it really just sets the mood for what is an enchanting place when it comes to the interaction with mainly birds. There's a tremendous amount of birds in Glenburn and its immediate surrounds. Let's have a look at that. This is Glenburn. It's the 22nd or 23rd of October, the last day here. Look at that rainbow in the fountain. Isn't that beautiful? Love the willow tree. And there's their sign. One last look at the rainbow. It's disappearing now. Amazing. Just that moment in time. Now Glenburn also boasts 2 wedding areas. It's so popular for weddings, they don't have one, they have 2. And I'm going to just show one of the wedding areas, which is quite close to the what they call the Hartbeers Dam, and I'll show you some pictures of that as well. And yeah, fantastic spot. Let's have a look at that. And for those of you who are more adventurous and like trekking out into the bush, in one of the earlier videos I talked about the boers retreating to Swartkop, which was overlooking what is today Glenburn. And I'm going to show you some photos of Swartkop. On the other side of Swartkop is another hotel that I will be covering soon, called Kloofzicht, which is like the Glenburn and Kloofzicht are owned by the same people, but Kloofzicht is slightly more upmarket than Glenburn. That generally I think Glenburn, for the value, for the money you're paying, is probably the better hotel to stay at. But Kloofzicht, as I said, it's a bit more expensive, but fabulous. Alright, I'm going to show you some more photos and wrap this video up. And I'll put the link to Glenburn down below this video if you want to go and talk to them or book or whatever. Have a great day. Bye for now.